you feel unfulfilled after playing video games, right? Here's why. See, you actually do get fulfillment after doing hard work. You feel better about yourself, you feel more proudful, but you distract yourself with video games as a reward, okay? But slowly, as you play video games, your sense of fulfillment reduces. And after the gaming session, you don't even feel fulfilled, you just feel empty. I've also done this many times, okay? There were days where I didn't procrastinate, bro. I did work on time and deeply. But then after that, I played video games because I was hoping that it would be my reward for a hard day. But in the end, just like you, I was just left with emptiness and guilt. You do get fulfillment after doing hard work, but you need space to feel it. Not stimulation, just quiet reflection. And also, you need to know one other thing. Fulfillment is like a quiet joy that lasts for hours, while pleasure is like the instantaneous fun that lasts for minutes. That feeling after hard work, that's your reward. Not scrolling, not video games. That's literally your reward. But now it may seem like a small reward, but over time it compounds and becomes a humongous reward. Like I'm telling you, fulfillment is a reward for hard work. Okay? Fulfillment is a reward. Because has video games ever felt like a reward? No, it didn't. The entire time, yeah, you were having fun when you were playing video games, but after that, you just felt empty. You just felt guilty. It was never a reward. Your expectation of the enjoyment delivered is actually more than it actually delivers. When you start choosing work over doom scrolling, it feels hard at first, okay? Yeah, it is hard, but not because it's painful, because you feel like you're missing out on the fun. But if you don't distract yourself for a while and continue the hard work, yeah, maybe you might have missed out on some temporary fun, but you'll start noticing something else coming up, the sense of fulfillment increasing. Now, let's get you started on actually sensing fulfillment. See, I know you must be feeling fulfilled at least like right after doing work, right? But the thing is, you're just going immediately to video games and throwing that feeling. Now, I'm not telling you to actually quit games entirely and go on a dopamine detox and shit like that. But what I am telling you to do is do a single habit that will actually help you sense fulfillment. Now, I'll be giving you your actionable step for this video. Okay. So pay attention and follow this right here. If you can do it like right after this video, try to do it. Okay. So here's what you have to actually do. First, once you're done doing hard work, maybe you're at your desk, get up and go walk around. Now you can walk around in the hall or where it's quiet. See, quietness is very important. You can't just go into a busy place. It's not the best for this habit. Okay. So go into a quiet place or your hall. Okay. And then just walk around for like 5 to 10 minutes. So as you're walking, you should try to reflect on how the work that you just did, like the deep work session, how that contributed to achieving your goals or how that contributed to you becoming the man that you want to be. Yeah. And as you do that, that will give you the space you need to feel fulfillment. Because walking around is not even that stimulating. Okay, you're just walking. This is simple. And that's why it gives you the space to feel fulfillment. So, if this video gave you some clarity, you would probably like my other videos on self-improvement. So, subscribe. If you want more insights and value, I'm opening up a small Discord link in the description. And always remember, choose what you won't regret.